Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, y'all back with how to make money online with the MSK. That's the Multiple Stream King. Listen, before I dive in, first thing I need you to do, if you are new to my channel, is subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button. Should be in one of those corners over there. One of those corners over there, right over there. Listen, that's all I need you to do is subscribe to my channel. Disclaimer, all right. You might hear a lot of pings going on because this topic I'm touching on right now, I actually just did a Facebook Live about it and getting a lot of engagement from it. So if you hear a lot of pinging going on, that's what's going on. So if you want to catch that, my Facebook information is below as well. All right, but I want to help some folks today, man. And this one's going to be real short and simple. All right, there's going to be several follow-up videos to this, but I get a lot of people reaching out to me because of my success online. I've been making money online now for several years now, and I've been doing pretty good at it. And I want to help someone today, okay? I want to help someone today, and I want to give you all rule number 1 on how to make money online with the MSK. Okay? Well, excuse me. How to make money online, period. Okay? If you're new to making money online, you definitely need to be listening. Okay? Because this first rule is what's stopping a lot of you out. All right? Perfect segue into saying a lot of you all are allowing the start to stop you. And the reason being is you're interested in making money online. You're ready to go for it. And what do? You go talk to someone who has never done it before. Never made money online at all. All right? They're comfortable with being complacent. They're comfortable with being still people. I mean, still living at home with their parents and they are grown. All right? Still at the same job. All right? For 6-7 years and in the same position. Haven't climbed the ranks of anything. All right? Still negative. All right? Still have no ambition. All right. Still stay away from these people. Okay. If you want to make money online, stay away from these people. If you want to make money online, do not go and ask these people for advice. Okay. This is rule number 1. Do not take advice from someone, all right, who is not at least where you want to be. All right. Or striving to be. Okay, because not everyone you talk to is going to be where you want to be at. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got goals. You're not going to meet everyone that's at that has reached that particular level. But at least meet someone who's striving to be there, all right? Because now you're a like-minded individual. Okay, now with me, you know, connecting with a like mind and we're trying to get to the same level, we can have some dialogue. We can have some better conversations versus me talking to someone who's never done it before in their life. Okay? Talking to a guy at work, and he literally, he tells me I work too hard, and when we get off work, I should go home and go to sleep and get some rest. I said, man, I got businesses to run. You know, first of all, I'm a full-time parent. All right, I'm a full-time father. I'm a full-time husband, and I make money online. All right, and I have teams that look to me for coaching, for advice, for mentorship. All right, I got businesses to run, all right? I have people to talk to, emails to respond. He was like, man, F all that, bro. Go get you some sleep. Huh? Why would I take advice from him? All right? 1, this man's grown man, still stays at home with his parents. Okay? No responsibilities. All right? Been at this job over 5-6 years, still in the same position. All right? I've seen people come to that job, all right, and within 6 months to a year, I already become manager. I was offered a manager position. Didn't want it. All right. I told him, I'm at this job by choice, not by force. All right. I'm just supplementing my income, all right, to get back to where I was, square one, so I can go back full time to my entrepreneurial journey. I'm using that job as a tool merely to invest more into my businesses. That's it. That's all. All right. I don't want to be there long term. Not going to be there long term. All right. But thinking like that guy and following people like that, all right, I'll become that. He's the same one who told me, hey, you wearing that wave cap a little too tight, man, because it's leaving a line on your head. You might want to stop wearing it so tight. And when I look at his head, he has never, to me, don't look like he's ever touched a brush before in his life. You know what I'm saying? Why would I take advice from someone who don't even brush their own head to tell me, no, stop wearing a wave cap? I can see if he had a head full of waves, and I say, hey, are you wearing a wave cap? And he said, yeah. Well, tell me what you're doing that I'm not, so I can quit getting this line on my head. In the meantime, between time, how are you going to tell me what to do? My hair looks nice. I brush my hair every day, and I put the wave cap on like I told him, man, that line will be gone within 20, 30 minutes. I literally just took it out not too long ago. That's why you still see the line. Tell me to stop wearing my wave cap, man. You see what I'm saying? So rule number one is to stop taking advice from people, all right, who don't have what you want, all right, or at least striving to get there, okay? Follow those rules, and you can make a lot of money. That's the first step. Before we get into the X's and O's, the nuts and bolts, start there. Stop listening to these people, because so many people not so many, but a lot of people that I've talked to that didn't get started was because they talked to someone negative. And when I asked them, have they done it before? No. All right. And so because they're comfortable and complacent, they're going to bring you down to their level. Stay away from these people. All right. I'm talking to you because you want this. I'm not talking to no one right now that's a negative Nancy. I'm not talking to no one right now that doesn't want more out of life. The person that's watching this video right now, you who I'm talking to, you want more. So why would you be listening to them? Why would you talk to them? Why would you go ask them for advice? Hit me up. Hit another entrepreneur up, all right, that's doing this thing, okay? And ask us for some advice, and we can help you and lead you in the right direction, because we are going to motivate you to get started, all right? You just got to get started, all right? So rule number one, lock it in. See y'all on the next video.